Y'all, so why did I wait until the last minute before this ice storm blows through to cover my cabbage up in my flower bed? But I mean, it is what it is. So yeah, I'm out here in the rain. I'm about to go cover up my cabbage. I think the collards will be okay because they're older and they can, withstand the ice. But my cabbage is really young, so I'm not going to risk it. Got a greenhouse, but I didn't put it together. Oh my gosh, this is heavy. So this is a fig tree that I got. I'm gonna put it in the garage, but the rain has it really heavy, so I don't know. Oh, I want to put that in the garage. I think I'll just take it out of the ice. I have plenty of mulch in it, so that should be fine. But we will see. I know I look crazy on here, but whatever. Y'all have a good one. Stay warm. Stay out of the ice. Don't get out unless you just have to, okay?